If you're trying to get rid of cellulite, then watch the following video. It helped me, so why wouldn't it help you?
What is ultrasonic cavitation? Ultrasonic cavitation, also called ultrasonic lipolysis, is a body contouring treatment that is used to remove fat deposits under your skin. It can also be referred to by brand names, such as Liponix or UltraShape. This procedure is a safer alternative to surgical options, like liposuction. The treatment uses ultrasonic radio waves to break apart fat cells, which are then absorbed into your body by your lymphatic system. Ultrasonic cavitation is different than other similar treatments, like ultrasound liposuction, because it doesn't require any incisions. This means recovery is easier. It also means that results might be less noticeable. The ideal candidate for ultrasonic cavitation are people who is in good overall health, doesn't smoke, has realistic expectations, is already within 15 pounds of their goal weight. Ultrasonic cavitation is meant to target small areas of fat and help contour your body. It isn't a treatment for people who are trying to lose a lot of weight. The verdict is still out on how well ultrasound cavitation works. There's promising evidence to suggest that this is an effective body contouring treatment. If you're considering this treatment for yourself, keep watching the video to find out everything you need to know about the costs, side effects, procedure, recovery time, and more. How much does ultrasonic cavitation cost? Ultrasonic cavitation is considered an elective cosmetic procedure. That means that you'll have to pay for the treatment, as well as any associated costs, completely out of pocket. Insurance doesn't typically cover body contouring, which includes ultrasound cavitation. The average cost can vary widely and depends on which machine is used for the treatment, the experience level of your provider, how many treatments you need. To learn more about the exact cost, please check our links below. We sometimes have promos and packages. So to be precise, please check the link. There aren't a lot of additional costs for this treatment besides your provider's fee. No anesthesia is typically necessary. Ultrasonic cavitation appeals to many people partly because the recovery time is minimal. This treatment is advertised as a lunch break procedure, meaning that your appointment can usually be completed in less than an hour. You can drive immediately afterward, and you can even return directly to work after having it done. How does ultrasonic cavitation work? Ultrasonic cavitation relies on ultrasound technology to break apart fat cells. Ultrasound waves are sent deep into the layers of your skin, causing a disruptive vibration. Fat cells then break apart from each other and are dislodged from your dermal layers. After a few days, the fat cells are absorbed by your lymphatic system and drained as waste from your body. How effective is CaviLipo? A small case study was published online in 2007 where they followed 30 individuals who were all given ultrasonic cavitation body contouring treatment. Participants all saw a reduction in body fat mass after 3 treatments. The treated body fat area was reduced in size by 1 to 3 centimeters at the conclusion of the study. This study also showed that study participants didn't lose weight, they just lost fat. So this procedure is great in targeting places in your body where you want to reduce excess fat. CaviLipo treatment is most effective at reducing fat in fibrotic places in your body, which include the back and chest area. Also, ultrasonic cavitation is also frequently performed on the stomach, hips, face, neck, upper arms, and thigh areas. What are the effects of ultrasonic cavitation? Ultrasonic cavitation is considered a low-risk treatment for most people. Common side effects include redness of the skin, bruising, headache, and in some cases, the skin won't absorb the fat evenly after it breaks down. Lumps and bumps, valleys on your skin can appear after ultrasonic cavitation treatment. These skin irregularities may be resolved by gentle massage in the area and in the follow-up treatments. Preparing for your first visit to our clinic for ultrasonic cavitation, what to do and to avoid. To prepare for your appointment, your provider will give you detailed instructions, which you should follow carefully. Make sure that you disclose the following to your provider before your appointment. You should provide any medical conditions you have, any herbal supplements you take, and any medication that you've been prescribed. Also, you should avoid drinking any alcohol for at least 48 hours before your appointment. You may also be advised to avoid nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen, in the 2 weeks leading up to your procedure. And don't forget to drink plenty of water before and after your treatment so that your body can flush out fat deposits quickly. What's the difference between ultrasonic cavitation or cavi lipo versus cool sculpting? Cavi lipo is ultrasonic cavitation is a form of non-invasive body contouring, as is the cool sculpting treatment. Both of these treatments have the same goal in mind, reducing fat and creating a slimmer silhouette. Both treatments are a fat reduction treatment, and both procedures are safer and less invasive than liposuction. Ultrasonic cavitation gets rid of fat cells by using ultrasound frequencies, while cool sculpting works with your body's natural response to cold temperatures to get rid of fat. Cool sculpting treatment is generally more expensive than ultrasonic cavitation, and the time you spend in the doctor's office getting the treatment is longer. Ultrasonic cavitation at home. There are ultrasonic cavitation devices that you can purchase for home use. These devices aren't cheap, but they're typically more affordable than in-office treatments. The effectiveness of these devices varies. A device that can disperse 4.4 to 7.5 MHz of ultrasound for a period of 20 to 50 minutes at a time may be comparable to a skin tightening treatment you would get in a clinical setting. Ultimately, it's probably safe to try these products, but you may be wasting your money. So to take advantage of the real power of ultrasonic cavitation, you need to visit a clinic like ours and get treated professionally. In addition, the machines we use have a higher frequency that can focus on disrupting and taking away fat in your body. Now let's talk about ultrasonic cavitation devices for home use. There are ultrasonic cavitation devices that you can purchase for home use. These devices aren't cheap, but they're typically more affordable than in clinic treatments. The effectiveness of these devices varies. A device that can disperse 4.4 to 7.5 MHz of ultrasound, for a period of 20 to 50 minutes at a time, may be comparable to a skin tightening treatment you would get in a clinical setting. Ultimately, it's probably safe to try these products, but you may be wasting your money. And won't deliver results the same way as the machines that are used in clinic settings. So to take advantage of the real power of ultrasonic cavitation, you need to visit a clinic like ours and get treated professionally. In addition, the machines we use have a higher frequency that can really focus on body fat reduction. How to find a great clinic if your location is far away from our clinic? Well, this is our advice. A good clinic will offer a consultation where they'll discuss your treatment options and provide a portfolio of their work for you to look through. Choosing a licensed, trained provider with experience in ultrasonic cavitation will make a significant difference in the way that your results look. It's also important for your safety to choose a provider who's been certified in ultrasonic cavitation. For more information about our clinic, and of our amazing Cavi Lipo deals and price packages, please check the link below.